Hello and welcome to the Santa Barbara City College University Transfer Academy UC Admission Application Tutorial. Just to call your attention to the application filing period, that begins October 1st and it ends December 1st. The resources that I use to create these tutorials are also accessible to you. You can go to https://apply.universityofcalifornia.edu/my-application/login/logout. Before we get started, I recommend that you have some items available to you, so access to your transcripts. I always like to print them because I like hard copies. I also recommend that you have access to your exam scores, advanced placement, IB exams that you may have taken, annual income, so access to taxes you may have filed or your parents may have filed, access to social security number if you have one, an ITIN number if you have that, or if you don't have one, don't worry about it, citizenship status, and also a method of payment. The application is split into 8 different sections. So you're going to have a section that's all about you. You're going to have a section where you select campuses and majors, academic history where you report the courses that you've taken and the campuses you've attended, your test scores, a section on activities and awards, another section on scholarships and support programs, your personal insight questions, and then you'll review and submit the application. So let's get started. We're going to go to https://apply.universityofcalifornia.edu/my-application/login/logout. All right, see you in the next video.